Okay, my level on gold has been hit. Let's go here, see where we're at. All right, we're gonna close it. Let's close all the golds. Boom, gold is in. All right, so today was a very, very interesting day. Okay, first of all, it was a good day because it was a profitable day. Any profitable day is a good day, right? But the numbers along the way were interesting. First, there was 888, then there was 777, and then there was 666. Not exactly sure what that means, but it was interesting to me because today's the 21st, which is also my birthday. So it was just really interesting to me. Maybe something spiritual, maybe, I don't know. You tell me. Well, before we dive in and find out exactly what happened and how I got those numbers, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with others so they could also get this information as well. Let's get into it. So earlier today, we had news come in a few minutes ago, and this was mostly about USD. You had some CAD news as well, which was medium impact news, and that was a mixed bag for CAD. So core retail sales went up by 0.6 from 0.2, but then retail sales month to month went down to 0.7 from 0.6. So that's a mixed bag for CAD. But on the USD side, you had GDP. They came in lower than expected at 4.9%, as you can see right here. And then unemployment claims lower than expected. It was expected to go as high as 214,000 unemployment claims, but it came in at 205,000 unemployment claims. So that was good for the dollar. However, the GDP numbers were not looking so good. And then also the Philly manufacturing index came in much lower than expected, which was negative 10.5. So as a result, let's go right here to MT5. As a result, gold went up. I did do one hammer time. I tried to go in for a second session, but gold has pulled back right now, and hence the negative 200 now. But USD CAD, obviously the dollar was going to drop. So I plugged in. I haven't hit hammer time yet, but we're in the positive so far. It had retracted, but it came back down, so that's good. Now, earlier I did have a situation with EUR/USD. I had some sells, which obviously didn't work out, but then I also had some buys that worked out. So that was a mixed bag. So as a result for the day, let me go to history here. Where is it? Yes, for the day, we're at negative 469. We had some good gains, like I said. We had some good gains, like I said, but these big losses here took the wind out of my wins. So yeah, it looks like EU is trying to come back up, but my concentration right now is on gold and USD CAD, and I'm also watching JU to see if I can plug in, because I think it still has some room to go. Maybe not much, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I think it still has some room to go to this level. So I'll keep watching that. USD Swiss franc, pretty much doing the same thing. And obviously, Aussie USD did spike up. It's now retracted, but I think it might continue. So I'm actually going to activate it, place a buy on there, on AU. All right. So 3 assets, I think that's good enough. I don't want to risk anymore. And let's see what happens. Okay, so far it looks like gold pulled back off at the high, but I think my anticipation is just going to come back to this level or beyond based on the numbers. And we'll look at USD CAD. It had pulled back, but now it's on its way back to my level, my anticipated level, I should say. And if we look at Aussie USD, it pulled back, but I think it's also going to, that's my anticipation anyway. The market is going to do what it's going to do, but my anticipation is it's going to come back and probably hit my level right here. So as a result, if we look at MT5, we're in a drawdown of negative 400, let's say. So that's where we're sitting right now. As you can see, there was a pullback. So I took this opportunity to do another buy now on gold. USD CAD, this is where we're at. They had pulled back, but now it's on its way back down. These are my hammer times. I anticipate it to come down to this level. And if we go to Aussie USD, there's the pullback, but my anticipation is it's going to come back up. As we approach 9:30 when the stock market opens, we might get a little bit of a push. Also, Looking at QC, it's down, but I think it's going to come back up. And RSI has come down a bit, but I think it's going to go a little bit up into the overbought territory. So that's where we stand right now. We're going to keep watching and see what happens. Looks like my level on USD CAD has been hit. Let me go ahead and close that. Let us go to USD CAD and see what's going on. Yes, my level's been hit. So we look right here. We're in the money as far as USD CAD is concerned. I'm wondering if I should continue to hold. Let's bring up USD CAD. Yeah, you can see right here. We're in the money with USD CAD. Let's expand that. And it's pulling back now, but I think it's going to come back down. So I'm going to continue to hold that. We go back to gold. It has recovered as well. About to enter into the zone right here. Aussie USD has put in some hammer times. I think it's going to go to my level or close to my level as well. So yeah, we have recovered. We are 800 plus right now. So I'm going to continue to hold and see what happens. Okay, my level on gold has been hit. Let's go here, see where we're at. All right, we're going to close it. Let's close all the golds. Boom. Gold is in. All right, so now let me go ahead and turn off that alert. Turn it off. Let's go back here. What we got left? So we're done with gold. 2 hammer times. That should do it for the day. USD CAD, we're just waiting for this to come back down so we can close it as well. I should have closed it when it hit my level the first time, but that's okay. And then we're also waiting on Aussie USD to go to my level. So where are we for the day? Now we're up by 520 and 25 cents, covered from these big losses we had earlier. So that's good. Now let's wait and see if we are going to add to the profits with USD CAD and Aussie USD. All right. So USD CAD keeps coming close to my level and then retracting. So let's see. We're done with gold, USD CAD. So yeah, right there. But I don't know if I'm taking too much of it. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can. There we go. Level's been hit. Let's go back to, yeah, I think I'm going to close that because I don't think it's going to, yeah, let's go ahead and close these. USD CAD is in the bag. Okay, so now we're waiting for Aussie USD over here. Go ahead and bring that up to do its thing. That's who we're waiting on. I also do have a trade on Euro USD. I should probably go ahead and mark that up on Trading View. So my anticipation is it's going to come back to, well, yeah, somewhere around here before it tanks. And that's all I'm looking for. Nothing big. Just give me that level and we'll be done for the day. So let's see. Where are we at for the day so far? We're now at 888 and 88 cents. That is a angelic number right there. 888 and 88 cents. Wow. Nice number. Recovered. If we did not have these losses earlier, man, we would be sailing high. But hey, it is what it is. I'm grateful for being in profit. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. All right, so I went ahead and just closed the trade because it looked like things have started to reverse. It's after 10 o'clock, so volume is starting to go down. So I went ahead and closed that. And I also closed the trade on Euro USD. So where are we for the day? Where are we for the day? We had 2 successful hammer times on gold. We can see things are tanking right now. We also had 1 successful hammer time on USD CAD, and you can see that's pulling back. Then on UJ, nothing on USD Swiss franc. Euro USD, we had a mixed bag. We had the earlier big losses, but then we had some also good buy trades on it. And then we had some successful trades and a couple of small losses on Aussie USD. So where do we stand for the day? So for the day, after those last losses, we're down to 777 and 88 cents. I think that's still a good number. So we recovered and made some profits for the day. That's good. When you minus the fees, of course, the profit comes down to 547 and 91 cents. So always take into account the commission fees, because whether you make a profit or you lose a trade, the broker is still going to take their commission, right? It depends on whatever lot size you use and whatever pair you are trading. So take that into account, whatever pair that you're trading, and recognize the commissions, right? So, and try to make money to cover the commissions and make a profit. 777.88 cents for the day minus the commissions. So all in all, positive day. All right, so I went in again for gold. We got another hammer time, hoping it's going to come to about this level right here, and then I'm going to close it. Now, Aussie USD did actually recover, came back and hit my level. So I guess if I had just been patient, this trade would have actually worked out after that deep drawdown. But that's how it goes sometimes. So if we go to trading view right here, you'll see the alarm got triggered. So I'm just going to close that, hit my level. But now I got gold running, and my anticipation is it's going to come at least to somewhere here, allowing me to add to the profit tally. I don't know if this is a mistake going back into gold, but let's see. Let's see. Where's gold? USD CAD continued on its descent. So we could have had a lot more, but hey, we made some money on it, so that's good. So yeah, let's wait on gold and see what happens with that. All right, my alert on gold has been hit. Let's go ahead and check MT5. Okay, looks like we're in the money. I'm going to hold for a bit just to see if I can get a little bit more. But given the time of the day and my trading window, I am going to close it right here. Just take that, and 3 hammer times on gold for the day. Hey, I think that's plenty enough. Okay, this keeps calling me. Let's see. So for the day now, we're at 903 and 13 cents minus the fees of 98 and 18 cents gives us 666. I don't know about that number, and 44 cents. So, man, AU, I wish I hadn't closed those trades, but that's okay. One more thing, actually. So you might be wondering, because you have 903 and 13 cents minus the fees of 98 and 18 cents, right? So 98 and 18 cents. It's supposed to be 804 and 95 cents, right? So why is it 666 and 44 cents, right? And not 804 and 95? Because the fees are not just the commissions. You also have to pay attention to the spreads. As you can see right here is the spread column, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah. So for example, Euro USD right now has a spread between 3 and 2. So that's 0.2 of a spread. Right now it's 0.65. It keeps fluctuating, right? So when you trade, you want to make sure you're trading when the spreads are not as high. These are actually pretty low. So for example, Aussie CAD has a spread of about 1.1 pip right now, right? Okay. If you bring up the buy and sell buttons on MT5, you can see that the price on the sell and the price on the buy are different. So the spread is the difference in between. And that's also an area in between that the broker makes their money as well. So that you also have to account for that in your expenses when you're trading. Just wanted to explain that. All right. Peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.